Students, today we are going to see first exercise, join the sentences using the words in bracket. So before we start this exercise, I would like to tell you information about conjunction, kinds of conjunction. First, I will tell you the definition of conjunction. A conjunction is used to join words or sentences. There are two kinds of conjunction. First is coordinate conjunction. They are used to join sentences of equal rank. Second, subordinate conjunction. Subordinate conjunctions are used to join a subordinate sentence to the main sentence. Okay, students, so this is information about kinds of conjunction. Now let's see first exercise, join the sentences using the words in bracket. Students, look here. Now first exercise, join the sentences using the word in brackets. So we have to solve this all example by using the words in the bracket. Now let's see first example. I have a bat. I don't have a ball. So in this example we use word but. Okay, we use this word but in the sentence. Now let's see, in the both sentences, subject and helping verbs are same in the both sentences. So that's why we no need to repeat the subject and helping verbs once again. Okay, so let's see, we will take only one time. First subject I and then helping verb have. I have a bat but not a ball. Okay, students. So we make this sentence by using conjunction but. In the second sentence, we listen to music, we dance. Okay, in the both sentences, we join these sentences by using word and. Let's see how to join the sentence. Now first, in the both sentences, subject are same. So we will take only one time. So which is subject here? We listen to music. Okay, after that we use here conjunction and dance. So the sentence became we listen to music and dance. Here we use coordinate conjunction and. Now let's see third example. The baby is crying, it is hungry. Now we use words which is given in bracket because. Let's see how to make this sentence. First we are taking subject. The baby is crying. Okay, so what is the reason of these things? Why she is crying? She is crying, that is the baby is crying because it is hungry. So we join these both sentences by using conjunction because. Now let's see fourth example. Anu studied hard. She failed the test. Okay, we use word but in the sentence. Now in the both sentence, subjects are same. And which is subject? Anu. Anu studied hard. We use here but failed the test. Okay, so we use here conjunction but. Now let's see fifth example. He eats too much. He is often ill. Okay, so in this example we take first main sentence. So which is main sentence? He is often ill. So what is the reason behind this? We have to use here conjunction because he eats too much. Now this conjunction because it is called as subordinate conjunction. So we use here in this sentence. He is often ill because he eats too much. Now this is subordinate sentence. Now let's see sixth example. She waited for the bus. It didn't come. We use word but in the sentence. Now first we will take here subject. She waited for the bus. And this sentence we join with this word but. but it didn't come. Now these both sentence we join with the conjunction but. Now in the second example, I can't play tennis, my racket is broken. Now in both sentences we have to use because now these words we have to use in the sentence. I can't play tennis. Okay, now this is main sentence and we have to join with the conjunction because my racket is broken. Okay, now this is subordinate sentence, so we call it now this because is called as subordinate conjunction. Now let's see 8th example. She went to the market. She bought a CD. Now this both sentence we have to join with the word and. Let's see, in the both sentences here subject are same, so we have to take it only one time, which is subject she. She went to the market and we join this sentence with conjunction and bought a CD. Okay, after that we are given here full stop. Now the complete sentence is she went to the market and bought a CD. So in this sentence we use and conjunction, and this and conjunction it is called that coordinate conjunction. Okay students, so we use here coordinate conjunction and subordinate conjunctions. In this exercise, by using this conjunction we are solved these all example. Students, through this video I hope you understood these all examples very well. Thank you.